Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. So inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of ICE network. I have lots of things, amazing updates, important updates about the ICE network. I will cover inside this video about ICE network KYC step 2. Even we will talk about the pre-staking updates. So further, let's talk about Ethereum distribution, when Ethereum distribution is going to start, how many token we will receive, even about the duration. So further exchange listing, Uniswap is listing ICE network. But beside that, we will talk about the centralized exchange listing. Binance, OKX, HTX, KuCoin, Bybit. So which of this exchange is going to list ICE token? Okay, and then let's talk about the ICE network wallet. So don't skip any part of the video if you're mining ICE token. So just continue the mining because this project can give you huge profit. Open mainnet is coming soon. Ethereum distribution is coming soon. Like you can trade your token, you can sell your token, you can purchase ICE token. So that's why stay tuned and don't skip any part of the video. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about ICE network, Pi network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale project, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So first of all, let's talk about ICE Network KYC Step 2. We just completed our KYC Step 1. And now this is the KYC Step 2 first phase. So we need to verify our Twitter account. So if I show you this post, so overall 469,000 users just completed their KYC Step 2. They just verified their Twitter account. Although more than 1 million users are just mining ICE token. They just completed their KYC step 1. So it means that other users still they did not receive the KYC step 2. So only 469,000 users just received their KYC step 2. They just verified their KYC step 2. So now other users will get their KYC step 2. So don't worry about that. If still you did not receive your KYC step 2, don't worry about that because soon you will get it. So further, if you don't know how to complete your ICE network KYC step 2, so the link is in I button. Watch the video because step by step I guide you how to complete your KYC step 2. If you don't complete your KYC step 1, step 2, you will not receive your token. So now if we talk about the pre-staking, those who are mining ICE token, they can stake your token for 1 year, 2 years, till 5 years in order to get more ICE token. So a few days ago, I just told you about pre-staking because the developers are just updating the pre-staking. They will unlock all the staked token. So those who stake their ICE token, so finally their token is unlocked. You just received your token back to your wallet. So just let me know in the comment section if you staked your token. So did you receive your token in your wallet or no? Because the developers just unlocked all the staked token. So now I don't recommend you to stake your token. I don't recommend you to stake your token because in the future you cannot unlock your token. If you select 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, so you need to wait for the duration. Once the duration complete, and then your token will be unlocked automatically. But for now, because the Ethereum distribution is going to start, and then you can sell your token, you can book your profit. So I don't recommend you to stake your ICE token. But it's up to you whether you want to stake your token. So you can do it, but I don't recommend it now because the developers unlocked 100%, unlocked all the staked token because they are updating the pre-staking. They are just bringing new features, updating new features inside pre-staking. So now let's talk about Ethereum distribution. Those who completed their KYC step 1, KYC step 2, so they will get their ICE token to their wallet. If you want to receive your token, you have to paste ERC20 address inside your mobile application. If you don't know how to do it, the link is in I button. Watch the video because step by step I show you how to add Ethereum wallet address inside your mobile phone. So once you paste your ERC20 address, and then you will get the token inside your wallet, whether MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. Although in the future, you can receive your ICE token inside the wallet of ICE Network. ICE Network wallet is coming soon in the future. So you can receive your token inside ICE Network Wallet, but for now, because the ICE wallet is not available, so that's why everyone will receive the token inside MetaMask and Trust Wallet. You can sell your token, you can start trading. But the question is when Ethereum distribution is going to start. So you can see in here, distribution begins in January. So it means that from next month, we will get our token. From next month, Ethereum distribution is going to start. So per month, we will get 10% of our token. If you have 1000 token, so in first month, you will get 100 token. And then like this, each month, we will receive 10% of our token. So the question is, till when we will receive our token? So till open mainnet, as you can see in here, till 7 October 2024, where we will see the open mainnet. So till that time, each month we will get our token because on 7th October 2024, we will see the open mainnet, we will see a centralized exchange listing, we will see e-commerce payment method. So till that time, each month, it means that in 10 months, we will get 10% of our token, 10%, 10%, 10%. Till 10 month, 100% of the token we will get inside our wallet. So continue the mining because Ethereum distribution is going to start soon. So let's talk about exchange listing of ICE token. ICE token is going to list inside Uniswap. Uniswap is the decentralized exchange of Ethereum. But what about centralized exchange? Like we have Binance, we have OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, HTX. So inside this post, as you can see, those who want to complete their KYC step 2, they need to just repost this tweet. So if you check in here, be part of the change, be part of the future. As you can see, they just mentioned Binance, HTX, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, Get.io, Upbit. So it means that they just mentioned these exchanges. Like we can say in the future, one of these exchanges is going to list ICE network, or they just want to let these exchanges know about their project, that this project is also available in this crypto market. This project is doing very well, same like Pi Network, because they just mentioned these exchanges. So it means that we can expect that in the future, whether Binance, whether HTX, KuCoin, OKX, any of these exchanges is going to list ICE token. Sometimes the ICE developers don't need to contact these exchanges because these exchanges itself will list the token. They will start the searching, they will start checking the project. So if it looks good, so they will just list it inside the exchange. So now let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these exchanges? What do you think about exchange listing? So this is all about the latest update of ICE Network. I can say one of the important update about the ICE Network, like ICE Network KYC Step 2, free stacking, Ethereum distribution, exchange listing, ICE Wallet. So let me know in the comment section if you are facing any problem with your ICE KYC, if you are facing any problem with the pre-stacking. Even let me know whether you just received your stacked token or not. So smash the like button to any all-time high. Don't forget to share your love in the comment section. Share this video with everyone. If you still did not subscribe to our channel, click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this video is just end up in here. Till the next update, till the next video. Goodbye. See you.